Yes. How we can do the pandas manipulation with the help of this pandas library. With the help of pandas library, we can read the data, manipulate the data, means delete column, insert column, or so many things we can do with the help of pandas. Okay, so wait, guys. Yes. So here I'm using this titanium dataset, and this titanium dataset is present here. See, okay. So this is a CSV file, commerce aptitude file. So here I'm using this pd.read CSV because this file is my CSV file. Now upload this file. This .csv means the extension of CSV file. If you import the data from the Excel file, then use this read Excel and your file name .xlsx. And if you want to change your CSV file into the Excel file, so first of all, import that file, then use the data frame like this one, my data frame. So df1, then to Excel, okay, to Excel, and give any name, and then .xlsx. So it convert your CSV file into the Excel file. Okay. Head function. Why we use head? Suppose if I take it empty, so you can see it extract only the first 5 rows. If you put any number inside this like 10, so it extract on the first 10 rows. Okay. Tail is for extract the bottom 5 line. So you can see bottom 5 line. Same, same like suppose 8, so it extract bottom 8 lines. Okay. Now come to this part, df.ilog. Ilog means ilog extract the data which you want to extract. Please, a particular data. Suppose this data and this data. Okay, so this data is for the rows, and this data is for the column. So as you all know, indexes start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, from left to right. If you start the right to left, then start from -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so here I'm using this 0 to 5. 0 to 5 means uh, start from 0 and end to fourth index, means fourth or index. Always take the n+1 index here. If you want to extract the fifth index, so you take like 6 here. Always take n+1 values. Same for columns. Start from 2 and end to 6. 6 means end to fifth index. So you can see 0, 1, 2. Start from P and end to fifth, 2, 3, 4, 5 H. Okay. So always take last value n+1. This is for the continuous extraction. If you want to extract the particular individual column and individual row, so right here 0th row, 5th row, and 8th, 9th row means it extract this row only. And inside this row, which column you want to extract? 0th column, 5th column, and 8th column. So you can see 0th column means passenger ID, this one. 5th column means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 H column. Okay, and 8th column means 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th parts column. Sorry, each column is 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th. Ticket column is present. Yes, ticket column is present. Okay. So everything is clear. Now this code is for particular rows and continuous columns. Means 0, 1 and 886 rows and 3 to 5th rows column. Any doubt? Anybody have any doubt? I lock. Yes. Info means extraction the information of the data, means inside this data there is any null values present or not, or also find the data type, means the passenger id, the data type is int, it means integer, name, data type is object, object means string, age, float value means decimal values. Okay, and null values, count means how many values are present inside my data, 890. Okay, so 890 one column rows are present, so you can see 890 rows are present, but inside this 714 rows are present only, because rest of all are the null values. You can find with the help of this also, 891 minus 714, the answer will be this one. Okay, now you can find the null values with the another way also, df dot is null dot sum, so you can find all the null values. So 177 value null values present inside my age column, and you can see here is also in the cabin 687 rows are null, and the embark 2 rows are null. Okay, now d type only expecting the data type. Here the data type and null values are also present, but in the d type only the d type matlab data type presents. Now df dot describe, df my data frame, and describe means describing the data, it describe the all the columns of the data, means inside the passenger id, survive, P class, how many counts? So 91 values are present. Inside age, 714 values are present only. What is the mean of passenger ID survived? The standard deviation, mean, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, and also max. So this is the description of the data. Okay, so now come to here. Suppose the task is this: extract only those value which is object. So how you can find only this value? Any idea? Anybody have any idea how to extract only object value from the data set? Yes, anybody have any idea? Sorry, neither your voice is too low. Yes. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay, you means like this. Uh, like right column one by one, means write the index of name, text, right? Right. Yes. So yes, yes. So if suppose inside my there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 column is present. If suppose if you have thousand of columns, then how you can find one by one? You can't find like this. Put the individual values, and you can't find like this. Okay. So how you can find? Write this first of all and make a condition. So you can see it returns true and false. Okay, now the task is this: only extract the true values. So how you can find? Put inside this square bracket, write again d types. So it returns only the object values. Okay, Now I want to extract the indexes of this one, so write dot index. It extract only indexes. Now put this code in the df, because df is my data frame. Okay, so you can see only object values are present. Okay, now clear.
The index here in this case is just name of it, not the number.
In, yes, yes, name. You can write like this also. Suppose if you want to extract only this one, name, you can write like this. Okay, so you can find, wait, yeah, so you can find like this. Now if you write this code, mm, okay, so you can see this line and this line is same. Okay, that's why I'm writing like dot index. Then put all this line the df, means this line means this line only, and this column and df is means this column and df. Okay, now clear. Mm, yes, you can write like this also. Mm, okay, now task is only extract the object and integer values, and you can, how you can find. So
Or
okay, object and integer value, and use this or sign. This sign. Okay, you can see only integer and object values are present. Okay, we can find any values, like here, change here only, float, object, anything. This code is for particular column exception. Okay, so df bracket and give any column name, and you can extract the values of this column. Now this is a slicing of the column. First of all, extract any column, then put 5 to 8, means start from 5 and end to 7. Okay, yes. Now the task is this. We want to extract only those value where the null, where the in the age column null values are present. And how you can find? Any idea? Extract only those value where the null values, where in the age column null values are present. Any idea? Yes. Anybody have any idea? Okay. So write this one. Okay. So in the age column, we want to extract only the age column with the help of age column. Write this. Hmm. So it returns in the true and false value. Okay. Now write, this is the code. Now convert this code into the condition. Now this is a condition. Okay. Now put this condition inside the this one, inside the numpy one where function is present. Okay, so where function, what where function is to put any condition inside where function. The where function extract the rows of this column, rows of the data. So you can see this rows. Okay. Now I want to extract only this rows. So use df dot ilog and put this condition inside this. This condition means this rows only. So you can see only this rows are extracted where the null values are present inside the age column. Okay. Now I want to extract all the name of the rows where the null values are present inside this age column. So write name. It extract only name. Now if you put in the double quotes, so you can see. Clear? Any doubt?
So actually, one doubt.
Yes.
Israel is giving false for the values
Neither your
say
voice is too
zero.
low.
Hello, is it
Please,
okay now?
please speak louder.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, is null what it is returning? Like when the value is zero, it returns false.
Yes. Now this false means inside this zeroth row, there is no null value inside this age column. You can see. Mm, yes. In the zero, there is no null values inside this column. Okay. And mm, only
What?
inside.
So just a bit.
Yes.
Just scroll upside. Yeah. So what are these zero values? Like
Zero values
passenger
means
ID
there is
zero
no null
survive.
values. There is no null values inside this passenger ID in the survived column. No null values. Zero means no null values. 177 means 177 null values inside present inside this age column. Same in 687 null values are present inside this cabin column.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
And you can find not only one column, you can find many columns like ticket also. Put your column inside the list and you can find the so many columns. Okay. Now this is for the max condition. Means yes. Wait a minute. Okay. So a task is this: extract only those rows where the in the fair column, where in the fair column max values are present. So what is the max value? See, this is my max value. So put this condition inside the where column. So in df fair is equals to this one means this one. Okay, and put this inside this fair column. You can see the in column, sorry, row index, and put this condition inside the ilog. You can find wait a minute. Okay, you can see, fair column 512, 512, 512, same. Okay, same for the this text column where the male values are present, so you can see. Okay, now this command is for creating a, sorry, passenger id present inside my data. So I want to change, suppose now the passenger id is this. I want to change the value of this passenger id. So give your column name with your data frame and give any value here. So you can see after executing this. See, okay. This code is for the creating a new column. You can see there is no new folders present. Now give any other name which is not present inside my data. So give this one and give the value also. You can see here also it is present. Okay. Now this is condition based exception, means extract only those value where the p class is greater than 2. So extract only those values. Okay, it's a condition based. Same as for age, extract only those value where the age is greater than 30. Okay. Now drop function is also present here. Now you want to drop any column. So how you can drop? So give your data frame name dot drop and give the column name. Okay. Now if I remove this all, so you can see the error. What is the error? Axis. So first of all, if you remove any columns, then give the axis 1. If you remove any row, then give the axis 0. So axis equals to 1. So it dropped, like you can see new value is not present here. But if you drop here and now again execute this tf, so new folder is present also. See, so this is not a permanent drop. Now use the in place equals to true. Okay, so you can see now if you execute this, so it is dropped. So in place is for permanent delete your column. Any doubt? Anybody have any doubt?
Like one is for column and zero is for row, right?
Please share the recording of okay. Yes, Nida.
Hello?
Yes, Nida. Please speak louder.
Yeah, actually, axis one is for columns and
Columns,
zero is for rows, right?
rows. Yes,
Yeah. So just now what you have done that run it again, the permanent delete.
yes. In place. If you
You
use
have
in
done.
place, then only it will drop permanently.
What was the change? Actually, I didn't notice that change.
Okay, wait a minute. Now this is present here. Okay, and
Zero and one. Which one?
this one,
New
new
folder.
folder, new folder.
Okay.
Okay, new
Okay.
folder is present here. No, now it dropped. Okay, now if you execute this tf again, then it will be here. See, new folder is present here, but here is not present. Okay, so use in place for permanent deletion. Now you can see there is no value. Okay, now come to the this one. This is my dictionary. This is the key and this is the value. Key means the column name and value means the column values. Now I'm creating this, then use this data frame. So for creating the data frame and use this value. With the help of this, we can create this data. Now same is for this one. And I'm going to create the concat function. So remove this. Now I can see these all null values are present here and here. Why? Because I have data, I have different type of column name, number one, number two, name one, number two, test, this one, and here also different types. So that's why I'm joining with the horizontally. That's why it's creating these values here. If you use axis one, okay, sorry, So create like this. So if your column is different, then use this command. If your column is same, like this. Okay, so don't need the axis, use this. Okay, now come to here. Here I'm creating a new, see, here I'm creating a new column with column 4, and what is my value? This one. Multiply with 2 in the column 2. So you can see, creates the column with the multiplication of 2 in the column 2. You can see. Okay. Now create a new column, column 5, with the log value of column 2. See. And what is the log value of column 2? You can see it's a similar. Okay. Now this is the short values. Shorting the values. How you can short? By means short with column 4. If you change here column 3, you can see with the help with on the base of column 3, it will short. Okay. Now write 1. So column 1. So short means short the your data frame, short values. Now everything is clear or any doubt? Yes, guys. Any doubt or everything is clear? Can I get a quick yes or no?
Yes, so clear.
Clear. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is for today's session. So I think you like this session. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
So recording will be available.
Yes, yes. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you, sir.